Welcome back to the Rack Warehouse YouTube channel. Today we are taking a look at the CBX 16 cargo box from Yakima. The CBX 16, as the name suggests, has a cargo capacity of 16 cubic feet, making it a great option for skis and snowboards up to 185 centimeters, or the cargo of up to 3 campers. The design of the CBX is unique to this box. The stealth-like texture and angular finish give it a sleek look alongside its functionality. The CBX has the capability to be opened from either the passenger side or the driver's side. Just don't open both sides at once. The mounting hardware on the CBX fits most factory and aftermarket crossbars, and you can adjust the placement of the hardware along this groove to accommodate a variety of different bar spreads. When you're ready to mount the CBX to your crossbars, the process is simple. Locate the tool supplied with the box to tighten down the larger screw located on the top of the mounting hardware. Tighten this screw until you hear a clicking sound like this. This sound indicates that your box has been properly torqued to the correct specification. The clamp should be positioned like this around the underside of your crossbar when finished. With the box installed, you're ready to open it up, load it up, and close it up. Then hit the road. Thank you for checking out our video on the Yakima CBX 16. If you have any questions about the product, give us a call at 1-800-272-5362 or send us an email to info@rackwarehouse.com.